First impressions shape relationships in brand ambassador programs, making welcome campaigns crucial for success. A powerful welcome can ignite a passionate spark, motivating ambassadors to promote your brand enthusiastically. Planning is essential. Take a deep breath and chart your course before diving into creativity. Define your audience, establish key messages, and determine campaign duration to streamline your efforts effectively. The campaign brief serves as the campaign's beating heart, pulsating with excitement and clarity for all participants. Highlight immediate rewards, exclusive perks, and benefits. Make newcomers feel valued right from the start. Engage your ambassadors with clear activities and expectations to foster a sense of shared adventure and community. Empower ambassadors by showcasing opportunities and providing the tools necessary for their success with your brand. Automated emails welcome new ambassadors with warmth, ensuring they feel part of your team immediately. An ambassador management platform simplifies operations, automatically identifying and guiding new participants into your campaign. Remember, building a powerful welcome campaign is about crafting connections that will drive your brand's success.